So yeah, starting this vlog today, the whole plan is to do focus work for 2 hours. Today Saturday, I'm just going to be sitting here doing focus work. After that, I'm going to meet my friend Ludwig, who also makes street content, and we are going to go to a festival outside in Berlin city, and we are going to interview other people. Now, a lot of people ask me, why do I go on the street and interview people? If you haven't seen it, check out my Instagram. I'm posting interview content every day there, and I'm going to tell you why exactly I'm doing that, what is the reasoning behind it, and what is the advantage that I have. So yeah, that's coming up. And yeah, now the plan is I'm just going to hit off right now a lot of focus on the product. So just making sure, validating the product and asking a lot of people about their opinion on the product. So that's the thing, that's what's going to happen today. And yeah, then I'm going to take it from there. Now focus, validating the product, doing research, thinking about how we can build it. And yeah, that's what's going to be the focus now. Let's go. Okay, so it has been a productive session, got my to-dos done, and now in half an hour, Ludwig is gonna come, and yeah, then we're gonna go and we're gonna film some content, and then starts the second part of the day. The goal is still at the end of the day, come back to the office and have another 2 hours of deep session, focus work. But yeah, now getting ready, and then I'll take you through my journey, how the whole day passes. Cheers. So we're starting off the next day of vlogging. Today we are going to go to the streets of Berlin, and we're going to start.
We're doing it.
We're doing it. I got my man Ludwig here.
We're doing it live. We're doing it live
on the streets of Berlin, and we're gonna see how it goes, how the whole thing is. And yeah, let's take you to the streets of Berlin then.
Let's take it to the streets.
Let's go, man. Let's go. That's powerful. That's your mic. That's my mic. We go on the streets of Berlin, proper lighting, and we talk to a lot of people about their dreams.
And life. I'm talking about life.
Well, the fun thing.
About life.
Let's go. Let's do it. Okay. We have everything. Have you had your coffee? We've all had like 100 cups of coffees already. If you don't drink coffee, if you're drinking 5 cups of coffee, those numbers are too less. You gotta double them. Double them and pass it on to another person.
Yeah. I looked up what like the recommended dose, the maximum recommended dose of the FDA is, and it's like 400 milligram, which is a little less than 6 coffees. And I was like, oof, that. And they were like, after that, things might get a little problematic.
Wow, I can tell you 6 is not that much. I hope my mom doesn't watch this video, but 6 is okay. You can go easily with 6. I'm sure he's only. How much coffee have you had? I think 4 cups already.
Yeah, 4 for sure.
I've also done 4. So yeah, let's try to stay below 6.
Let's go. Come on, something has to fuel this operation.
Let's go. So yeah, now heading off, leaving the office, and then going to wherever the street takes us, and to find Ludwig. This man is the hardest person in the world to find.
Oh my God, there we go. Come on now.
Finally. Do you already have a bike, man?
No, we gotta get it.
Okay. Perfecto. So
we were waiting for a food delivery that now arrived. You know what happens? This is my life. Food arrived now. I have to leave though, so I'm gonna eat the food cold. No lunch. You know what my lunch is? 2 protein bars.
4 coffees. That's what's up. That's his lunch.
You know what lunch is? This is gonna be lunch.
That is, but that's the lunch of champions, so that's
Absolutely.
important. That's what champions eat every day. Cheers. We hardly even have conversations.
We're just out here. We're about to head to Brandenburg Gate, down the street.
Yeah, everything looking perfect, and we are.
The weather cleared up. Chicken is still at WeWork. Very hungry.
I hope the police doesn't catch us making videos.
Yeah.
That's going to be a lot of charge.
This is going to be like your driver's license is going to be gone. Running a red light while holding a camera. You're not even going to make the.
Good that I do not have a driving license.
Yet. This guy's taking the test. When?
Next week.
Next week. There you go.
Let's go. I'll have it. But the theory one. And then I have to.
Yalla, let's go.
Let's go. The camera is rolling, mate. We're not stopping now. We have 2 hours. YMCA.
This man's already dancing.
Whoa.
We got the cops behind us. We're ready for
YMCA.
the parade now. Okay,
Okay, excited for the street parade?
yeah. Very excited. What about you?
Super excited, man. I hope we get like 7 good groups and then we talk to them, we become friends with them, and we find out about their dreams.
That sounds good. This is the setup of Casey as well. Okay, we can't walk through here. I'm too German. Look at this. If they
Look
got
at it. I didn't even know. I didn't even recognize
orange
it.
cones, I'm not walking through there. It's an emergency.
Yeah.
You,
I didn't even recognize it.
yeah, this man, unaware. You know who I respect most? The guys who sell like flags. This making a buck.
He's an entrepreneur.
Amazing.
That one part we could say.
We did it. Another interview.
Very good energy. We love these people. She couldn't speak proper. She's learning the best English. She's gonna have the best English ever. And you're gonna see her in US.
We kind of, it was like an English lesson. That was really, it's like school. Okay, let's go. Amazing.
Bye-bye. Let's go, man.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, that was an excellent interview.
Yo.
Do you want to be part of it? So that's the thing. We've got a proper good interview that we got.
We got the next one lined
We got the next people.
Amazing.
Friends, do you want to be part of the vlog?
You can get the. Do you have Instagram?
So you want to get the street interview?
Yeah.
Do you like that kind of content on social media?
Yeah.
Who's your favorite influencer? Are you from Berlin?
No, we're from Brazil.
Brazil?
Yeah.
I've heard people in Brazil are the coolest. Is that true?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Switzerland.
We're gonna check it. We're gonna interview them and it's gonna be fun. So now we're going to
Berlin.
Okay, now also for the vlog. My people from Brazil, all the way. Very good energy. Came for
to
the interview.
Brazil.
Go to Brazil. Yeah. They come from the place where Brazil lost 7-1. Don't go to that city. Don't go to that city.
Yeah, we are nice. We're nice.
Nice people there. Amazing. Cheers.
Yeah, the nicest in Brazil.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Doing something cool. Give me the mic. We're done. We're in the
Okay.
middle of the interviews, and Yar was like, "Let's do something cool." This looks the most like a special needs operation. Like we're wannabe rappers, and
We are gangster. Like we are part of a boy
we're like the
band.
least gangster people you can imagine. Also, I don't know how people. This is how you gotta sit. You gotta sit
How are people even sitting like that? I do not understand. My
ankle
legs are
hurts.
already hurting right now.
Yeah, we gotta stretch more. Well, we're still in the middle of the interviews.
Yeah.
But we thought we'd record like a cool ending to the vlog, which this is not. But we'll use it.
Wow.
This will be the ending.
Bro, this is much better. My
insane.
legs.
Yar also brought a friend along, and she's just judging
She's too
us.
shy. She's looking
That's
at
no
us.
good.
And she's filming content. She's gonna give you the
Okay.
the back view. So if
Okay,
you see
people
videos
are coming.
with
We
the
gotta
back
go,
view,
guys.
That's how
Thank you
it's
for
gonna
watching. Oh, let's go.
be. Let's go. I think people are now getting mad. Cheers. Have fun. Now we continue. Let's go and talk to more people. Let's do it. Okay, I think our initial research has been really good. So what we have to do is we just have to now execute and try to go as fast as possible. The goal at the end of the day is to finish it within 7 days and then start asking people. So I'm also gonna get another team member to build the landing page, and then we already start selling. Okay, now starting off. Okay, let's go fast. I do not have infinite time, but yeah, today was incredible. Filmed a lot of content, went on the street, talked to people about their dreams. I love doing that because I feel like more people should follow their dreams, and they forget about their dreams so often, and I'm just there trying to remind them what their dreams are and what are the steps that they could take to follow those dreams. So it was incredible. On top of that, I also talked to people about their salaries. So any person who has a job, I ask them what their salary is, because my plan is also to help other people shift between jobs if they want to do it, rather than getting stuck inside one job. So these are the two things that are being built right now, and the content that I filmed. So yeah, that was incredible. Also got a lot of focus work done in the morning. In the evening, I also did some focus work. And yeah, that's the conclusion to Saturday. The product that I'm building, I'm going to go into detail in the next videos on what exactly am I building. It's going to be super exciting. I feel like it's a product which could become super, super huge, has a huge market. I'm going to take you through every step of the way, exactly telling you. And I hope you keep me accountable because it's going to be so much fun. Any promises that I make, I'll have to keep them because, yeah, there's a video evidence there. So yeah, that's what's up. Like and subscribe, send it to your best friends, whoever who wants to start their own business. I feel like this is super powerful. This can help them. And I'm going to be very realistic here. It's not going to be just like, hey, perfect, everything is going excellent. I've been building businesses 8-9 years and 90% of the things are actually bad things. None of them are happening perfectly. Just like this video. This video, I stopped recording. Like I pressed on the record button, but I did not record. So then I had to later on film these videos again. That's what happens, but at the end of the day, this is my first vlog and it doesn't have to be perfect. And at the end of the day, it's about going out there, just executing, bringing things out and then, you know, taking the next steps. You can't just be thinking and re-optimizing everything. So that's the thing. I hope you had fun. I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe and let's go.